Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how to fix the CapCut video editor lagging, for instance on your desktop computer. So let's get started. To get started, launch the CapCut video editor on your computer, and let's assume you're working on a video project with a video clip like that here for demonstration purposes. But unfortunately, while editing and watching your video clip in a preview mode, you're experiencing quality and performance issues like lagging, for example. So let me show you how you can fix that really quickly. You absolutely don't need to be an expert in video editing whatsoever, guys. And there are basically two tricks you can apply. The first one would be to simply click on modify here on the right hand side. That will take you to your project settings. Now head over to the performance section of your project settings, and after that make sure that this feature here below, proxy, is turned on or enabled. Doing that will allow you to edit your video clip smoothly and faster. Now listen to that, without losing any video quality, guys. So enabling the proxy mode here will only affect or have an effect on your video clip here in its preview or editing mode, and not video's quality once exported and saved on your computer. So toggle it on, and to amplify the effect of that trick, I would suggest you select the lowest resolution from the drop-down menu, which would be 540p. Click on save here to confirm your setup, and as previously mentioned, guys, doing that will not have any effect on your end result or on your video's performance and quality once exported and saved on your computer. For example, if you decide to export your video clip by clicking on that button here in the top right corner, you will still be given the opportunity to save your video clip on your computer with a high resolution of 1080p, for instance. And the second trick would be to simply select the best performance for your video clip in its preview mode, and you can do that by clicking on these three horizontal lines here on that icon, by selecting preview from that drop-down menu, and by choosing best performance to play your video clip smoothly in its preview mode. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.